different ASMR.
Alexa, stop. I'm too tall for the camera angle. Do I need to crouch down a bit?
No, you're fine.
Can I have that one?
No. Why do you want everything I want?
Well, because that one's better.
Hi guys, welcome back to Gemco Productions. This is another how-to. Today we're showing you how to make the best cup of tea. We've got our mugs here and we're going to show you the best cup of tea. We don't take it from us though. We went out and asked the general British public how they make their tea.
Excuse me, do you have a second? I was wondering, how would you go about making the perfect cup of tea?
Perfect cup of tea?
Yeah, what's your routine?
Perfect cup of tea.
Perfect cup of tea. Perfect cup of tea.
We're going to do the most common answers from that, the mean average of the British public's tea we're going to make here for you today and then judge the best.
And trust me, there was lots of different answers.
We've got many different answers.
Excuse me. Can you just help me with something quickly?
What do you want to know?
I just need to know, how would you make the perfect cup of tea? How would you? Okay.
Ask me questions.
Yeah, I'm going to ask you questions about...
Also how I make tea.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. How you make tea. How you make the perfect cup of tea, is that okay?
I was wondering how you guys make your tea. Any tips or anything you've got? How you make your best cup of tea?
What is this a joke?
Perfect cup of tea.
This for real? Well, you surely know how to make a cup of tea. Why would you be asking that?
Drink coffee anyway.
For most people, if not everyone, the first step we got told was to fill our kettles up with warm water and let it boil. So we'll do that first.
Fill up with warm water?
Yeah, you fill up with warm water, don't you?
No.
Oh,
I don't.
Fill up with warm water.
When would you do that? You fill up with whatever water and then you heat it up.
So,
Actually, boil the kettle and...
Okay.
Okay, get your tea bag,
Yeah.
put it in.
He does his tea. Put a tea bag in a
Yeah.
cup.
Yeah.
Put boiling water on top.
Yeah.
Tea bag, water. So you've got to put the tea bag in the cup.
Yeah.
Put the hot water on it.
Okay, so obviously you've got to boil the water, put in the tea bag. So
Right, hot water, tea bag.
Tea bag in
What?
the cup,
Yeah.
boiling water.
Okay, so most people get your tea, put it in the cup, fill your kettle up with some water, and then you got to turn the kettle on. Then obviously you got to wait for it to boil, and then you just get your hot water and put it in the cup. Now watch us.
But if you have the most industrial revolution fucking kettle.
Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment.
this one.
And then you turn it on. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's not even on. Right, no, that's unfair.
Okay.
Okay.
But it's already boiled. Look, it's fucking steaming.
Oh.
What?
You can make crusty water. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whilst our kettles are boiled, we're gonna have a chat. So this is what you should do as well. You talk to your peers.
What's up?
You don't go on your phone. Yeah, so chatting commenced. We need tea bags.
Fuck.
I'm gonna have so much tea.
Have you put one in mine?
Why are your tea bags like this?
Yeah, they're weird.
They might be decaf actually. Put your tea bag in your cup and then pour the boiling water in on top of it.
Yours is done.
You don't want to touch this.
Well, obviously not.
Do we have spoons?
But are we gonna
Oh, I only have 2 teaspoons.
I'm gonna fill mine up to there.
do you have to do one for the milk?
Make sure you need your teaspoons. I'm gonna fill mine up half.
Ooh.
Controversial. There.
Oh my god, really?
Oh god.
Okay. I don't actually make tea often, so I don't know what's normal or not. Most people told us to leave it brewing for 2 or 3 minutes.
How long would you normally need to brew?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Leave it in for a couple of minutes.
How long roughly?
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
That's for a strong cup.
Well, not too long.
What, 1 or 2 minutes or?
It's a case of looking at the tea and see how
See
dark,
how dark it is.
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Yeah, so you just got to follow what the people say, you know? If it's the right colour, just go for it. Just send it, bro. 2 to 3 minutes, that's all you got to do. Just look for the colour, 2 to 3 minutes. Now here's some advice from my former self. They said, give it a little stir. Most people were like, give it a little stir. So I guess that just means during our 3 minutes, we're just going to stir it.
Yuck milk.
Oh yeah, what Krishnik said that actually reminded me. Get this, some people actually put the milk first. Like, what the hell? We were specifically told by this lovely lady never to do that.
Don't put the milk in first.
No,
My
no.
partner does, and we
Really?
disagree with it all the time.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
Blasphemy.
Then comes along this absolute lunatic who thinks it's alright to put milk first. And then he forces this poor woman who's clearly his prisoner to have the same view as him. Watch this.
What I do is put a cup,
Yeah.
little bit of milk
Little
in
bit-
first.
oh,
You
milk
shouldn't
first?
do.
Yeah,
Milk first. With the
2
milk for
sugars.
me.
But some
No,
people put the tea bag in first and the milk in.
Yeah. Well, that's
Milk
what.
first.
Milk first.
Well, we had.
No, yeah.
I mean, this poor woman, she's clearly making a cry for help, explaining how you make tea the right way. And he's making her submit to his propaganda. Ugh! Anyway, once you've decided to do it the right way or the wrong way, then you just give it a little stir once more and take the tea bag out, dump it off to the side.
Setting a 3-minute timer now. And we'll leave it to brew.
Set a 3-minute timer.
Your timer is set for 3
There we
minutes.
go.
3 minutes goes.
Let's have a little second now.
There you go.
A few people said they actually leave the tea bag in when they drink it.
Yeah, who does that?
That was a bit weird.
Like, people think I'm disgusting because I leave the tea bag in because I like it really strong.
Tea bag.
Yeah.
We don't take it out.
Oh, you leave it in? Okay, yeah. And then,
Oh,
So you don't use a straw to stir.
oh, that's a tea bag. I thought that was a bit of straw.
No.
I'll show you on here the size of our waters. There you go. Whose is going to be
He's
the
got
best?
almost full, like 3/4, about half, just over half.
3/4, almost full half.
Look,
And
you could do other things while it's brewing,
Yeah,
you know,
maybe-
soaking up.
Yeah, but don't play with the kettle and touch the hot kettle.
No children near the kettle. Milk.
God, this is the most exciting time of my life. Time
And
to put in our
when your timer's done, it's time to add your milk. Now I have semi-skimmed milk. That's what we drink at this household.
I know from experience, my family like the red milk. I don't know.
You have
So whatever your family preference is, or whatever your preference is, or just whatever milk you have, use that.
Yeah.
Because honestly, it really doesn't matter. But if you're picky, use your special colour.
Your milk. Ours is green.
Ours is green.
the bin.
PD bags in the bin.
About
Basically, you just want to fill the rest of your cup up. So,
Yeah.
however much water you put in, just fill the rest of your cup up. You see, you have some more room there.
Yeah.
If you have room, fill it. I'm
I
like,
like to stir as well after.
I'm almost at the rim.
This is where things get tricky.
Okay, make sure you have a bin at hand. Now this is where preference comes in. I'm going to do what the majority of people said, and the majority of people said 1 sugar. 1 sugar. So
I had quite a lot of people say to me 2 sugars, so that's what I'm going to do.
sugars?
No sugar.
No sugars.
Sweetener.
Alright. Oh, sweetener. Alright, cheers, thank you. And then sugars?
No.
No sugars. That seems like the common, I'm getting proven wrong at the moment, but alright. Thank you very much. No, that's alright. Thank you very much. Any sugars or anything?
Yeah, 2.
2 sugars.
But
2
not for
sugars.
me.
Sugars?
Not for me.
No sugars.
any sugar or anything like that?
Depends what.
I have sugar, yes.
One in.
One in.
Sean said it more, you shouldn't have it.
Alright. Look, when it comes to sugar, everyone is different. Like, all of those people basically said no sugar or anything. But when you're younger, like me and Callum, we want a few sugars. That's why I basically lied to you and said that most people said 2. Most people said none. I said that most people said 1. Most people said none. So yeah, just as many sugars as you want, and just stir manically, just like Krishnik is doing right here. Okay. So here we have sugar. Right there, see that? Sugar.
Man. 1.
Dos.
3 sugars.
How many that's going to Okay, and now basically, if we finish your tea, you should have finished your tea. Now we're going to taste it.
On this your camera, you're going to see the finished look of each tea.
There's that tea. There's that tea. And there's that tea.
You know what? Colour-wise, I think Crash's is looking the best colour-wise. To me, that looks like a tea. I don't actually know if a good tea's good or not because I don't drink tea often. Oh god, it's spilling here.
Out of the 3 mugs, don't be biased, but whose is the best?
not being biased, mine
Actually?
Your guys just taste like water.
Oh, okay. That is really bad. Oh my god, what the hell? His is actually like the best by far. Ours actually tastes like water. Just like water.
Right, guys, you wanna go?
That is right. It's about to go downhill quick. Just try it.
Oh god. Fam, what the hell?
What did we do differently?
Alright fam, this is a Great Britain mug.
So, just disclaimer, the tea we used for the close-up shot was the winning tea because that one tastes the best and we want you to see how to be good at tea. See.
It's be good at tea.